Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have the pleasure of going over this 1968 Chevrolet Nova Custom. Just came in from Arizona. This car is finished in a nice, beautiful paint job. The paint on the car is by House of Colors and it's called Sunset Pearl. And it's finished on a beautiful straight body. Love the stance on the car. As you can see, shaved door handles with the poppers, which I'll go over with you in a minute. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. I'm gonna pop the hood really quick. I wanna share with you guys what's underneath the hood, and then we'll get back to a couple other things. 1 second. Bam! Nice, beautiful, detailed engine compartment. This is a 350 motor rebuilt. I was told less than 5,000 miles on it. As you can see, it has the booster, 4-wheel power disc brakes all around the car, power steering, 350 like I mentioned, upgraded with headers, nice set of valve covers with the air filter, aluminum intake, 4-barrel carb, just a nice, beautiful setup. Aluminum radiator, nice inner fenders, all the hoses have been replaced, cold air conditioning, okay, newer alternator, and beautiful, beautiful detailed under the hood, okay. All of the chrome on the car and the trim and all the weather stripping is in really good condition as well, along with the glass on the entire Nova. The transmission is an overdrive 700 R4. It has a Detroit locker for the rear end, 355 gear ratio posi. Car's got a custom interior that I want to go over with you guys really quick. Hence, no wipers, okay? The car came out of Arizona. But to open up the driver's door right here, okay, it's the door popper for the driver's door and passenger door. And then I'll show you how to open the trunk in a moment. Custom interior, original sheet metal on the car from what I can see, but I will pop the trunk and go over that with you guys. Tastefully done on the interior. White face gauges, as you can see. Upgraded Clarion stereo system with the 2 6x9s in the package tray. Nice custom headliner. Just a beautiful, beautiful, clean setup. All the door jambs are crisp, clean, no issues whatsoever. Let's take a look at the passenger side now. We're gonna pop this door open, okay. Here's your passenger side. Check out that. Factory seams on the bottom. Inner and outer jambs are excellent. And to pop the trunk is right in the glove box here. Okay. There you go. Did you hear how the door closed? Nice and solid. Beautiful weather stripping. Batteries in the trunk. Look how crisp everything is here. Isn't that nice? Factory stampings on the quarter. And when I get my hand up in here, I'll have to tell you that the sheet metal was replaced from this point all the way down across. All metal, done properly. On the passenger side, okay, hard to see, but when I get my hand up in there, it feels like this entire quarter has been replaced with all sheet metal, and they did an excellent job. I mean, look how it lines up with the door, okay? Professional bodywork, guys. And to close this trunk, you're gonna have to take this and just push it to the left Okay, and your trunk will close. Okay, clean underneath. New gas tank, new suspension, very nice. Tinted windows all around the Nova. All right, let's get in this baby. And I want to fire it up for you guys. I'll show you the rest of the car. There's your fuel pump. It sounds really, really nice, guys. So horn is inoperable, okay? You got your lights. That all works. As you can see there. Wipers obviously are inoperable. Car came from Arizona, like I mentioned. All your gauges function. And yes, the stereo does turn on, okay? Got a lot of switches here. I mean, a lot of billet accessories here. But the left turn signal, it does function. Let's just take a look. Okay, let's check out the front. And let's check out the passenger side really quick. I want to make sure that functions and showing you guys that. All right. All right, look at that. Look at that. Vented windows. Sound good. Air conditioning blows cold, as you can imagine. Car coming from Arizona. Okay, so quick recap. 1968 Chevrolet Nova, custom 350 with 700 R4 overdrive transmission, Detroit Posi locker unit in the back, power steering, four-wheel power disc brakes, here at mgmclassiccars.com in Addison, Illinois. My name is Thomas. Now, if you guys are watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. You'll see what I got coming out tomorrow. Anyway, yeah, check that out. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it on your page. One other or two other things that I want to talk about is financing. If you guys are looking to finance the Nova, it's not a problem. We will take a $1,000 security deposit, goes towards the purchase price of the vehicle, and we will hold it for up to 3 days until you get your loan completed. All our deposits are non-refundable. Okay, I want to make sure that's clear. These cars don't last on the market very long. They will sell. One last thing I didn't mention. The frame underneath is tied in for the extra power. Sorry. So anyway, yeah, if you're looking for financing, we can do that. If your credit score is like 625 to 739, you'll need 10% down. Go to mgmclassiccars.com, fill out the application, and they should approve you right away. If your credit score is 740 or higher, go directly to my lender's website, and that is lightstream.com. They will approve you in about 15 minutes. Guys, gals, everyone's approvals are subject to credit score and credit history, so let's keep that in mind. For all you cash buyers, you can call me, text me, let's get this thing going. Take advantage of our driveway delivery, fully insured right to your doorstep for the purchase price of the vehicle. My name is Thomas. Thank you for watching. Please call me or text me. Text is a little bit quicker. If you need a quote for transportation, let me know. Text it over to me. I'll get you a quote. Texting is going to be always a lot quicker. My number is 847-848-1850. Name's Thomas. Thanks for watching. mgmclassiccars.com.